over there. He's holding special protection over his special part. That's so cute. Side of the wall. Look, sweets, and they have ice cream and stuff. And look here, they're making they're making the bread and stuff. The sweet shop. There's this town. We're in a bread shop. Bread shops here sell sweets too, and they have a lot of bread.
Oh, me too.
And they're selling pumpkin soup, and this is Brule.
You guys, in the next video I will teach you how to do vin brule.
Vin brule. It's
region.
red wine, but it's hot.
With a lot of stuff inside other than wine.
Yeah.
Yes, because we have the card there.
They have these medieval things like this that you can put on your head.
I like medieval in general.
Yeah. I like this fair. It's really pretty. They have pumpkin strudel and cookies, pumpkin-y stuff here. Strudel. Look at the owls. Oh, this is a tarot card reader. She's just putting up her sign or fixing her sign. You can find a few of these tarot card readers and other people around as well. During the festival. Normally not, but during the festival, yes. Look at the little houses, they're so cute. And there's a little girl spinning her thread there. Those are not Scottish bagpipes, they are Italian bagpipes from this region. Lavender shops are found here. So lavender is a big thing that's grown around here. We came to Austria. Yeah. A Wow. Look where we...
Ciao, we are in Austria and we went to a restaurant called Brule and I just got my salad.
In Bernberg.
If you are Wernberg in English pronunciation. So if you are here near Villacher, Wernberg, but you know, this is the Austria, which is near...
Which is the border, the Austria near the border of Italy.
Yeah, so if you're here, definitely come to Freyja because you get big portions for such a low price and compared to Italian, you know, portions and Italian prices. So, and yeah, so we like to come here and Venzone was kind of near, so we decided to come here anyway.
And the salad has sauerkraut, so...
This is goulash with canederli.
Goulash.
Goulash with canederli.
What is that?
Canederlo.
Canederlo. What is that? It's like a matzo ball.
It's a big gnocco.
It's a big piece of gnocchi. And I got these kind of raviolis. They're big though. And they have different fillings inside. So they're quite well filled. This one has
Contains mushrooms.
it's like mushrooms and nuts inside it. That one. And this one is a cheese one. Yeah, this is a cheese one. It should have like ricotta cheese and a different cheese mix inside. So it's kind of like pierogies, you know, like in Polish food. This is a spinach one. So, bon appetito. The color's off, but this is an apple strudel.
Okay, now it's better. We're eating apple strudel now.
And it's really good. It's hot, so it's cream.
And this cost €2.90. €2.40, sorry. And
Fantastic, eh?
yeah, so if you're in Austria, we recommend you come to Freyja. Near Italy,
No,
but in Austria.
Near Italy, northeast Italy.
Yeah.
So we ate really, really well today, and those raviolis were very filling and really delicious. And I love sauerkraut, so that's always good. It was in the salad, the sauerkraut. Yeah. And the price of food in Austria is like half of what it is in Italy, and the price of gas we saw for $1.31, and in Italy it's like $1.69 or so. Anyways, we had a really good day, and yeah, and now we're gonna go home and probably watch some TV and go to sleep. And so, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe.
Happy Austria.
And we really like coming to Austria to eat. Bye.